Hello guys, and I didn't do like a YouTube video in a very long time, so I'm doing one right now, and it's like 8 something or 9, and I want to show you some Nerf guns. If you did watch the reviews of these Nerf guns, please, and we're gonna get another one, and I'm gonna just drop it there. First one, then do um the most accurate one I have. It's the Mega Magnus. If you did saw that video of the best Nerf guns of for zombies, click that video. If you subscribe to my channel, or if you go and if you search, okay. And I have now 73 videos, including this one. So yeah, the Mega Magnus I already load so we can shoot. It shoots up to 95 feet. So yeah. So let me show you another gun. It's the Fire Strike and it's our dots. Because I use dots for the Vagabond. 3 of the dots. Another 3 of the dots for my Strife. But I'm still gonna review the Strife. And yeah, so it has a laser beam, so it can reflect off the camera. So here you go. Okay, so sorry. And there's another one. That's the newest Nerf gun. It's the crosscut. Bam! Melee weapon. My first pistol melee weapon. I hope I get the flamethrower because I don't have that one. I only have like shotguns and stuff. And also here's the biggest one I have. And I gotta stand up for this. It's the Vagabond! Woo! Yeah! I'll also do my dots, so I'll use the elite dots. So, yeah, it's super duper big. And I'll show you the now loaded gun is Strife. And watch this. Hear that? It just makes a squeaking sound. That's so funny. So yeah. Also, let's review the pistol of the hammer shot. The double strike. 2 dots. That's why I call it double strike, and it has a hammer. The powerfulest Nerf gun in the world. 1, 2, 3. The Jolt. Jolt is the powerfulest, like the most powerfulest Nerf gun they made. Has like a huge air tank. So that's it. And I'm about to hit that button. The eye of fire, I got jammed, so I'll fix it. See, the most way to fix it is to modify it and then unmodify it. See? Oh. Okay. I'll just take the or I just want to leave it on because it has more accuracy. Oh. Okay. 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 Finally. And that's it. Also, I don't want to show the big shot. I want a yo-yo. I want to show you. It's the Blazing Team yo-yo. You might have the Blazing Team already, but I have level 2 and level 1. My level 3 broke, so I don't have a level 4. I could do some cool tricks. I can do around the world and walk the cradle. Walk the cradle. Rock the cradle. Yes. and bam. And also, I created this trick. Comeback potato. Don't even catch it. And bam, catch it. You have to tie it up. So that's it for all this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.